بما أسودم خندن بيشما هردم قطابي ما أسودم خندن بيشما هردم لكني بردا دفنم آواتم بفيدنم لكني بردا دفنم آواتم بفيدنم إيما جستو چالاكي بيشنگين و بيباكي إيما جستو چالاكي بيشنگين و بيباكي چرادا دگرسنين ندانين لابن دينين چرادا دگرسنين ندانين لابن دينين كتاب خانة مالمانا خزاني دوامانا كتاب خانة مالمانا خزاني دوامانا.
Hello children, how are you? My name is Miss Arazu. Today is explaining Unit 14 for you. I hope you enjoyed my lesson and please listen to my lessons very carefully. Hope you enjoyed my lesson. Thank you. This is Unit 14, Lesson 1. Look and listen. Okay, please student, listen to the CDs first. Let us see what happened in these pictures.
Student's Book, Unit 14, Lesson 1. Look and listen.
What's that?
It's chalk.
What are you doing?
I'm drawing. I'm drawing a fox.
Look, a fox. Who's this?
Open the window quickly.
Hello, my name's Foxy.
My name's Laura.
And I'm Aveen.
Look, I have a box.
Open the box, please.
Look, he has a watch.
Okay, student, look at picture 1. Look at Avin and Laura. Laura say, Avin, what are you doing? Avin say, I'm drawing a fox. Picture 2, look at Foxy is coming and they opening the window. They are very happy to see Foxy. Picture 3, Foxy say, hello, my name is Foxy. Laura and Avin say, hello, Foxy. Okay, picture 4, look at Foxy. Foxy say, I have a box and I have a watch. Okay? Okay, student, now listen, point and say, look at this picture. I ask you a question. Who's this? He is Foxy. And who's this? She's Kitty. Yes, very good. Look at Foxy and Kitty. They have some of the objects, okay? For example, look at Foxy has this one. Okay, student, let us listen to the CDs.
Student's Book, Unit 14, Lesson 1. Listen, point and say. This is Foxy. Look, he has a watch. He has a top.
This is Kitty. She has a flower. She has a box.
Foxy say, I have a top. I have a top. Kitty say, I have a box. I have a box. Kitty say, I have a flower. I have a flower. Okay, student, Unit 14, Lesson 2. We have look, point and say. Okay, student, look at, we have 2 other letters and look at this one also. I talk about this also. We have letter W, okay, and the sound is W. For both of them, For capital and small we say we, watch, watch, window, window. Very good. And look at capital X and small x, and they have the sound. The sound will say, we are all say x, 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 x. For both of the letters capital and small we say x, x. Now let's read the words. X, x, fox, x, x, fox, x, x, box, x, x, box. Okay, student, and look at this new sound is okay, which is the sound ch. Okay, student, we have letters C and H. Okay, both of them they make a sound, and the sound is ch. Okay, we have some of the words that start with ch. For example, we say ch, ch, chair, ch, ch, chair. Okay, student, we have point and say, point and say. Okay, student, who's this? She's Avin. Very good. And who's this? Yes, he's Karwan. And who's this? Yes, this is Kitty. And who's this? Yes, very good. This is Foxy. Okay, student. Now, look at the objects. Okay, student, you see that? They have these things. Now, let's talk about Avin. Avin, we have to say, she has a box. She has a box. Look at Karwan. Karwan, we have to say he for Karwan, okay? He has a watch. He has a watch. And look at Kitty, student. We have to say Kitty has a top. Kitty has a top. And this is Foxy. We have to say Foxy has a car. Foxy has a car. Okay, student, Unit 14, Lesson 3, we have to play. Okay, we had this game. Okay, student, look at these boys and girls, and they have some of the objects in their hands. For example, what is this? Look at this boy is holding an orange, and this girl is holding a cat. It's a cat, and this one is a bag. And look at this girl, student. This girl have to say, look at this girl say, he has an orange. He has an orange. And this girl say, for this one say, she has a cat. She has a cat. And for this one say, she has a bag. She has a bag. Okay, student, this is the end of Unit 14. I hope you enjoyed my lessons and get benefit from this video. Thank you for watching.